How to make an Instagram business page easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a business page on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to Instagram.com and you will land on this platform right here. I have opened up my Instagram on my laptop so that I can show you clearly how to create a business page. We can create our own business page on Instagram and sell products. We can create, a skincare product Instagram business page or any niche that you deal in. You can sell clothes. We can also create an Instagram shop, and then there is an Instagram business. With Instagram business, we will also be able to create Instagram ads and we will get our own Meta business suite. So let me show you how to create a business page. It's really easy. First of all, what you guys will do is once you get to Instagram, you will sign into your account. So if you totally want to create a business account, you can just sign up for Instagram first and create a professional account. So I have this account right here, a simple profile. So I will switch this one to a business profile. For that, we will click on the profile icon and then go to the settings. In settings, you have to scroll all the way down to switch to professional account. A business account is a professional account, so I'm going to click this option. All right, which describes you the best? We have a creator profile and then we have a business profile. So best for public figures, content producer, artist, and influencer. Best for local businesses, brands, organization, and service products. So I'm going to select business. Next. All right, then we have business. Learn about your followers, reach your customers, get new content option. You're going to click on next. Then we have select a category. In categories, we have personal blog, product and service, art, musician and band, shopping and retail, health and beauty, grocery store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a category of health and beauty because I deal in skincare products. Click on next. Click on continue. And then you can enter your business information. You have to add your email address, phone number, street address, city in town, and zip code. You can also select if you want to show this business information on your profile or not. So I'm not going to select this option and fill in this business information. Once done, you will click on save, or you can select don't use my contact info. So I'm going to click on save. All right, moving on, we have your Instagram business account is ready. Go to the mobile app to learn more about this is my business page. So we can actually access our Instagram on our mobile phone now, and it will show me all of the options, the app, and then I will be able to manage my new business account on my desktop with the business suite or creator studio. Click on done. And it will take me to my profile. Now, this is my business profile that I have created. It's about the category that you have selected. Of course, the account looks similar to a simple account on Instagram. You have your profile, you will have your profile picture, we can create highlights, you can add posts. But it totally depends on how you manage it. First of all, keep in mind the business account is going to be a public account. You cannot keep a private account or change it into a business profile. So it was a private account before, but now it is a public account. We have our post and we have our profile picture. Now you're going to click on the settings right here and you can click on professional account. It will show you the professional account you have. With my edit profile option and other options in my settings, I am now getting a professional account option where I can change the category of my account anytime I want. We have selected health and beauty, but if you want to change the category for your business profile, you will click on change right here and select from different categories available. Let's say I want to change from health and beauty to shopping and retail or product or services because I am selling products. So we can select these or we can switch from one category to another. Similarly, I can add my business information anytime. I can enter my email address, a phone number, and my business address. Now, here's an important option when it comes to creating a business profile. How would you like to be reached? Call or text. So these are the options that we select for our business profile. And if I select call, then I will enter my phone number and people will be able to approach me and they will be able to call me. If I want to get approached through a text, then I will select the text option given. Then we have display contact information. Again, click on submit and your business info will be submitted right here and you will be able to create it. You can also switch to a creator's account on Instagram from your business account. Business account is different and creator's account is different. Another thing I can do now is I can open up my Meta Account Center and it will take me to my Meta Business Suite. If you use Facebook business pages, then you will be familiar with the Meta Business Suite where I can schedule posts for my business account on Facebook as well as on Instagram. We can also add new posts. What we can do is we can run ads with our Instagram business profile. On our profile, if I take you to the main visibility of the profile, you will select the photo right here, click on edit profile where you will be able to change the name. So for the name, what I'm going to do is you can see the name for my brand is Beauty for Us and the username was not available, so I went with Beauty for Us too. And then we have a name right here, so I'm just going to type in the name again that we have, and then we will have a username. This is my username right here. Website, so we can add our website right here, and we can add, if you have a Wix website, if you have a WordPress website, any website that you already have for your business, you can add it right here. In bio, of course, we will enter our product information and our business information right here in the bio. And then we have to enter our email, phone number, and then we have gender. Click on submit, and this is how you edit your profile. You can go to the apps and websites with your business profile, and you will be able to actually add your active websites and different apps that you have created. You can also get the supervisor now and emails from Instagram. Emails from Instagram is now available since my account is a business account now, and I will be able to actually get emails from Instagram and actually create an insight, and I will also be able to get an insight. Actually, once you're done creating an account right here on the desktop, I will actually highly suggest checking out Instagram on your mobile phone, because within the app we have the insight option. We have a lot of other options that we can avail. So this is how we create our business page on Instagram, and it's really easy. Now I can manage it with my Meta Business Suite. That's actually one of the most important features that stands out to me, is that we can actually manage our Instagram with our Facebook because they're both powered by Meta. Now you will go to your profile and add the pictures. We can also upload the reels now instead of just posting pictures. So you will add your product images, you will enter the information right here, go to the reel section, and you can upload the videos and product info about your whatever niche you are in. You can create, and you can ask different influencers to create reels for you so that you can add to your page. And then of course we have the simple post option that allows us to add different posts. If you already have some posts on your private account on Instagram and you switch it to a business account, then I will highly suggest first of all getting rid of all the different posts that you have. Of course, I am using this account for the purpose of the videos. This is a test account that I just changed and switched into a business account. So it's really easy to create a business profile on Instagram. It literally takes 3 to 4 minutes and you will be able to run a successful business on Instagram and make money. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.